Holiday notice for Chinese New Year. Dear Freego clients, thanks for your support in 2021. In order to make sure all orders can be finished before Chinese New Year, we got notice from general office. See below. Chinese New Year holiday will from January 22 to February 8th. Our factory will close during January 15th to February 8th, 24 days. If you want us to deliver the goods before we close the factory, the latest purchase date is November 25, 2021. Because we need 30 days to produce and prepare all the parts, and then 20 days to assemble and packing. So 50 days is required at least for lead time. Today is November 6th, so there is only 19 days left. If you want to place an order, please contact our sales team and confirm the order in advance. Thank you. General Manager Office, Freego.